baby told me with a sigh, saying words that came across as a doubt.
What's up guys, we are here in the municipality of Santa, and today we are going to
We're going around the world, cycling the world.
We are going to visit
Okay, let's
various
go, roll out,
places all over
motherfuckers.
our Santa. Let's go.
Today is rest day. Let's go.
Today is Flag Day.
We're now on the highway. I don't know. Don't worry, guys. We are licensed and we have papers and we have helmet. We have license, we have papers, and we have helmet. Let's go. So hello guys, we are here in the border of Santa and Narvacan. So let's go down to see other beautiful things. So let's go. Here you can find beautiful and unique metamorphous rocks. Wow. Metamorphic rocks. And guys,
What is the correction, Mr. Bingas?
metamorphic rock.
Metamorphic rock.
Rock formation.
Rock salt. No, rock salt. We're going to find rock salt.
This is the great spring water of Salt Lake City here in Santa Ilocos.
Oh.
As you can see, I am about to go down. Oh.
You dive.
Joke lang. Right now, we will go to an adventure on going to explore the place.
Explore the place. Let's go. Adventure to explore.
To explore and find out its darkest secrets.
What will be the secret, guys?
And to find the One Piece.
Oh, One Piece.
Wow, guys.
Wow.
Now, we're at the... What is that?
Random place.
We're on the most random place or in Santa Ilocos. Here we can find unique seawater.
Seawater.
With unique seaweed. With chinelas.
I think our friends discovered something, guys.
So they are quiet on top.
This was quite hard route, guys. Very challenging. Yeah. Oh, they are on top on a cliff, certain cliff. The random pits. Hey, say hi to our vlog. Say hi.
So other groups are here. We are going to our next destination.
Okay. Let's see what will be our next destination, guys. Wow, so where are we going, guys? There's a lot of people here. So we're going downward. This is quite a slanty road.
Follow me.
Hey. Oi. Mute.
So,
Waig. Need English to Waig River.
Canal.
River. Oh, di ba? Katawag ito dati.
Flowing water. Very good.
Very dirty. Very demure. Wow. Kabyala Park.
Here, there is a beautiful birch tree. You can see.
Wow.
Silang park po ng And this is the big tree, random big tree. I don't know what it's called.
Old tree.
But old bear, okay.
So by the way, guys, one of our friends were not able to attend our vlog or first today's trip where we try to unwind ourselves. But unexpectedly, we were able to meet him. Like, bro, he's being held in a prison. His name is Franz, guys. Oh, it's moving around and around because he see us. He's a shy type person.
guys, we have found the real Andre.
Yeah, it's another unexpectedly, guys. Asan na? Oh! Finally, we find the real one.
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
We find the real one.